Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to the new and beautiful day. As it becomes more beautiful after seeing your beautiful smiles. So, where are the smiles? Yes, that's like my LKG class. Yes. All right, kids. Now, come and sit in front of the screen. Come on, fast. Now we'll start our class with welcome song. है ना? So Yash, Nitya, Divyanshi, Ridhan, chalo, come on. We are waiting for you all. Switch on the camera. Okay, let's start, kids. You have to sing with mom. Come on, start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Now, we are going to sing Mulberry Bush song today. All right, kids, let's start singing the song Mulberry Bush. Start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. All right, kids. Now, after singing Mulberry Bush, now come on everyone, let's stand up for some warm-up exercises. Stand. Come on everyone. I don't want to say it again and again. And now you are grown up now. You all are good. So come on, stand up. We'll do some warm-up exercises which makes us more energetic. Come on, stand up. Nitya, Ruhan and Pramukh, आप खड़े हो रहे हो क्या? I'll remove you from the class. Stand up. Come on, Ruhan and Nitya, stand up. Chalo. Now, stretch your arms and clap. Clap, 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 clap. Now, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle. Wiggle it. Slowly, slowly. Then fast. Very nice. Now, keep both the hands on your waist and jump. Start jumping. Start jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Yes, jump. Very good. Very, very nice. Now, stretch your arms like this. And you have to move your wrist. Move your wrist. Move your wrist. Without moving your hands. Okay. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now, raise your hands higher. Ridhan and Aisha, stand up. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Satvik, try to touch your feet. Do not think कि मैम को नहीं पता है कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. Okay? चलो, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Very good. Nice. Now, show your thumbs to me. Keep it on your shoulder. अब हम क्या करेंगे? What will do? Yes, forward. Very nice. You have to move your hands forward. Forward. Now, backward. अब पीछे करेंगे. Backward. Good. Okay, sit down. Sit down. All right, now we'll talk about today's date and day. Acha, listen kids. I am telling you the date and the day daily. And daily I used to say to the date and the day of that particular day. So I am going to ask you in middle at any time. मैं आपको कभी भी पूछूं क्लास में, then आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what is the day and what is the date. ठीक है? So everyone be attentive. So let's talk about the day and the date. So today the day is Monday. What is the day today? Monday. And the date is 19 July 2021. 19 July 2021. Okay, and the day is Monday. Okay. All right. So kids, yes, there's one new student in our class. Yes, Padmanabh, unmute yourself. Padmanabh, unmute. Unmute yourself. Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you? आप कैसे हो?
I'm
Okay.
fine.
So, kids, look, there's one new boy in our class. Your new friend. So, सब उससे hi करो. Kindly say hello to him. Hello. Hi, Padmanabh.
Hello.
Say hello to everyone.
Hi.
Look, everyone is saying hi to you. Say hello.
हाय कर सारे फ्रेंड्स आपके
Say hello.
हेलो हेलो
Yes. So,
Hello.
welcome to our class, Padmanabh. Welcome to our class. All right. And I think there's one more new girl in our class. Padmini. Yes, Padmini, unmute. Kids. Yes, look, there's one new girl also in our class. Padmini, unmute yourself, beta. Good afternoon, Padmini. Good afternoon. How are you, beta? You are good? Okay. Friends, kids, look, there's one more new friend of yours. So kindly say hello to her also. Say hello. Hello, Padmini. Hi. Look, everyone is saying hello to you. You also say hello, everyone.
हाय
अब बोलो, hi करो सबको.
हेलो एवरीवन हाय फ्रेंड्स
Okay. So, Padmini, welcome to our class, beta.
थैंक यू
All right. All right, kids. Now, yes, let's talk about the weekdays. Yes. अब मैं मुझे कौन बताएगा how many days are there in 1 week? Who is going to tell me? Come on, raise your hands. Who want to say how many days are there in a week? मैम आपको डेली बता रही हैं. Yes, Ridhan. Unmute Ridhan. Say loudly. 7. Okay, very good. So there are 7 days in a week. एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7. चलो अब now come on, we'll say the name of 7 days together. ठीक है? Let's start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. All right, kids. Now, let's start our work. Okay, so kids, get your literacy workbook. Get your literacy workbook and open page number 3838. So we are doing the beginning letters. है ना? Beginning letters means जो starting sound होता है. Beginning sound जो सबसे पहला sound हमें word बोलते वक्त सुनाई देता है. That is beginning sound. So we have to look at the pictures and then we have to circle the beginning letter. ठीक है? We did it in our early class also. So I think आप सबको पता है कि what we have to do in this page. You have to look at the picture and then you have to encircle the beginning letter. Beginning letter means पहला letter. For example, अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ dog, so dog starts with letter D. So D is a beginning letter, जो पहला letter होगा. ठीक है? So in your literacy workbook, you have to open page number 3838. Kids, yes kids, one more important thing, whenever you are doing anything, ma'am आपको हमेशा कहती है, I used to say every time कि before starting your work, you should write the date first. अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, you can write the date. So write down today's date on the top left corner of the page. The date is 19/19/7/2021. Date you have to write. We have written 7 here because July is the 7th month. That's why we have written 7 here instead of July. So it's a request to you all mothers. Let them write the date and all. Okay? So kids, now you are grown up. Now before starting any work, कोई भी work start करने से पहले आपको उस पेज पर date लिखनी है of that day. जो भी दिन आप कर रहे हो. ठीक है? So first of all, you write down today's date. That is 19/7/2021. Can I write the book name and the page number, everything in chat box? All right. So I am writing the book name and the page number as well in the chat box. In case of any doubt, any problem, kindly refer it. Yes, your literacy workbook. Page number 38. So I have written the book name and the page number in the chat box. अब आपको अगर कोई problem है, in case of any problem, you kindly see it. Written the date? अब मैम आपको हर बार नहीं कहेंगे. Before starting the work, you should write down the date. See it? Okay, let's start. So the first picture is igloo. Igloo. It's a kind of house. Igloo. Igloo. So what's the beginning letter of igloo? I. So circle the I and write down here also in order to complete the word igloo. 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 Okay. Now come to next picture. The next picture is of net. 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 किससे start हो रहा है net? N. With letter N. The word net starts with letter N. Net. So we have to circle letter N and write down N here also in order to complete the word. N. All right. Now the next picture. What is this? This is jam. Jam. Devet, sit properly. Jam. So which letter says J? Yes, J. J says J. So the beginning letter of the word jam is J. J. Jam. In this way, when you say a word, जब आप कोई भी word बोलते हो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि with which letter it starts with, है ना? तो say, बोलकर देखो word and then try to recognize the beginning letter. The next one is orange. It's very simple, I think. O, orange. O, orange. So the beginning letter is O. O, orange. Teeth. Beta, switch on the camera, Teeth. Lokendra, wait for others as well. Manika, you too switch on the camera. Look, kids, I'm not going to say again and again, switch on the camera. If I found anyone कि आपने कैमरा ऑफ कर रखा है, then I'm going to remove you. ठीक है? Please kindly be attentive in class, and no need to switch the camera off. Now the next picture is kite. 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 So it starts with the sound k. अब आप सोचो कि क किसका sound है? Which letter says k? K. So kite starts with letter K. K, kite. K, kite. After circling the letter, then you have to write down the letter here also in the blank in order to complete the word. Okay, the next one is pencil. Po, pencil. Po, pencil. So which letter says po? Yes, it's P. P says po. So po, pencil. Pencil starts with letter P. Then the next one. Next one is lamp. 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 So which letter says L? L. So lamp starts with letter L. So circle letter L and write down letter L here also in order to complete the word. And the last one is quilt. Quilt. So कौन सा letter क्वा sound निकालता है? Which letter says क्वा? Q. Q qua quilt. So quilt starts with letter Q. Q qua quilt. Ma'am, I have written the book name and the page number in the chat box, no? Earlier only, before starting the page, I had written. Book name is Literacy Workbook, page number 38. Okay, kids? Done? Now we'll say the phonic sound of the letters. As I told you earlier also, it's very, very important to learn the phonic sound. है ना? Phonic sound, जैसे ही आप letters सुनो, आप फटाफट आपको phonic sound याद आना चाहिए. It's very, very important to learn all the phonic sounds of the letters. है ना? As we are starting, we are about to start our words now. So, how can we read the words without knowing the phonic sound? So it's very important. So everyone pay attention. When I ask any one of you the phonics, you should know all the phonic sounds. Okay? Now, let's say the phonic sound together. Come on. A. A says eh. Come on, say. A says eh. Then B. B says B. B says B. Then C. C says K. C says K. After C, D. D says D. D says D. Kids, I am looking at everyone. है ना? You all have to say with mama. Otherwise, I am not going to give you the stars in the copy. Okay. After D, E. E says A. E says A. Come on, say the phonic sound, everyone. After E, F. F says four. F says Then after F, G. Satvik? Yes, Satvik. What G says? Tell me. Unmute and say. Satvik? Yes. Good afternoon.
बोलो मैम को राघव राघव बोलो ना टोपी दूंगी मैं जल्दी बोलो हाँ मैम क्या पूछिए आपसे
Satvik?
बताओ
G says. What is the sound of G? Say loudly.
फोनिक साउंड बताओ जल्दी जोर से बोलना
Ah, very good. नहीं, listen, Satvik. First आपने ग बोला, then आपने ज बोला. G says ग. Okay, Satvik? G says ग. Don't get confused. Very good. Then after G, H. H says H. H says H. Unnati, switch on the camera. Then after H, I. I says E. I says E. Then after I, J. अब हमें आयुष बताएगा कि what J says. Unmute Ayush. Be attentive, everyone. I'm going to ask anyone in between. Yes, Ayush. J says. You look at me, Ayush. J says. I can't hear you. Jug. Yes, J says jug. But the sound of J is J. ठीक है आपको ऐसे बोलना है J says J.
बोलो
Yes, very good. J says J. After J, K. K says K. K says K. Then after K, L. Everyone pay attention and say the phonic sound with ma'am. L says L. L says L. Then after L, M. M says M. M says M. Then after M, N. N says no. N says no. Then after N, O. What O says? Manika, unmute and say. Unmute? Yes, beta. What O says?
A, B, C,
नहीं. Wait, Manika. Wait. First of all, you have to wish, है ना? जब भी whenever someone asks you, I ask you question anything, so you have to wish. Good afternoon, okay? Now you say.
Good afternoon.
Yes, beta. Good afternoon. So, now you say कि O का sound क्या होता है? What O says?
इधर बताओ मैम देख रही है मैम डांट रही थी
जल्दी be a good girl बच्चा. O says.
बताओ बेटा
अच्छा चलो मैम के साथ बोलो. O says O.
मौम से बोलो मैम के साथ बोलो मैं पिटाई करूंगी मैम बस पूछ रही जो बताओ
O says O.
बोलो पहले
O says O.
Uche, O.
Ah, very good. O says O. Then after O, P. P says Po. Po. Then after P, Q. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. Then R. R says Ra. Ra. Then after R, S. S says So. So. Then T. T says to. To. Then after T, U. U says O. O. V says वो. हमारे जो टी थे वो लोअर लिप को टच करते हैं. I told in our previous class as well. V says वो. And W says वो. Wo. Then after W, X. X says X. Y says ya. And Z says Z. Okay. Now kids, take screen break. We'll meet after 10 minutes. Take one screen break. We'll